Good day, guys. I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. So today's AI secret of the day is brought to you by Wispr Flow. And I have a prompt for you and I'm gonna break it down for you. I'm trying to upload videos onto NotebookLM. However, it's saying the file needs to be under 200 megabytes. The file that I'm looking to upload are 450 megabytes, 3 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes, and 300 megabytes. How can I get this compressed? Biggest thing is that sometimes we don't have time to text. So here we have it. We have Wispr Flow, and as you can see, I've used over 30,000 words, and I'm loving it. This is the prompt that it gave me, and I have the ability to copy it. And you're probably wondering why another app. I've seen all these different apps. Here's the fascinating thing. With ChatGPT, with all these other AIs, if you stop using them, you stop paying for their services, they don't just send you your data. This allows you to save your data on your device. That's where it's beneficial. So I'll drop a link in the comments, and these are the things that people are doing to not be left behind by AI, because you can get a lot done. You can do a lot with this.